is the group 1 and myself Vaishali, and she is Anagha representing the group 1. So the article given to us is an information security risk assessment following the cyber security breaches, the mediating role of top management attention to cyber security. So this one is a elsewhere journal paper and it comes under information system research. Also it covers the cyber security area. So what section we have is abstract and introduction. So they have given first what is cyber security. So cyber security is that way they can protect the information as well as the communication system against the damage or unauthorized use or the modification. And then next keyword or the next terminology they have used is the breach. So cybersecurity breach is an event which compromises the CIA, that is confidentiality, then integrity and availability of the information or the security policy or the procedures. So they have given some of the examples of the breaches, that is phishing or the loss or the ransomware, etc. are some of the examples of the breaches. So these breaches are normally affecting the firm's reputation as well as the economy. So they have mentioned some papers in their introduction. So 1998 to 2020, they have mentioned some of the papers. So in the first paper, they were mentioning the external implications of the breaches because of the breaches. So firm's market value, then reputation, as well as the competitive advantage. These are some of the implications they have mentioned. Then another paper is mentioning the standards for the cyber security. That is the first standard they have mentioned is the ISO and the second is IEC 27000. That is International Electrotechnical Commission. So what they have said is before 2009 the ISO was not included, or it's not mandatory to include the risk management procedure in the ISO. But 2009 onwards this risk management procedure is mandatory in ISO. Then another paper they have mentioned the cyber security is having the 4 stages, that is the deterrence, then prevention, detection and the remediation. And the first 3 stages needs to be taken before the breach is identified. The next paper has given the role of ITS in the cyber security. So all the papers they have mentioned the different types of the breaches, and among all kinds of breaches the data breach is playing an important role and also received the overwhelming attention in the other paper. Then next paper is saying that not only the computer science and the software engineering research is having some security issues, but also the management oriented research also plays they are also investigating the data breaches. Then the another most important paper what they have mentioned, that is the main focus of our article is normally the firms are focusing on the external oriented actions such as the customer redressal or the crisis response strategies or the role of the corporate reputation. But the internal firm actions are neglected and it could be a symptom of the systematic issue and the firm may continue to remain vulnerable. So that's why the role of TMT as well as the ISRA comes into play. So the next part will be explained by Anagha.
So in all we can summarize that information security risk assessment, that is ISRA, is the critical part of the risk management. So it focuses on ensuring the cyber security as per the given industry standards, but many of the firms do not follow these standards without noticing the details. So it is the responsibility of the top management to participate or initiate the risk management process. There the role of TMT, that is top management team, comes into the picture. So we can say that the authors here they have used the attention based which uses principles of focus of attention, structured distribution of attention and situated attention, which will lead to the top management team, that is TMT, and how this TMT attention will help the firm's decision to carry out the ISRA in the context of relatively high breach to get the low breach cost.
Number 2, you can continue. This was the basic introduction, what exactly the paper talks about, which papers they have surveyed. Okay. Group number 2.